Hello students, today I am going to explain about the physical property of carboxylic acid. So note down the physical property. In physical property, at first we study about the physical status. In physical status, carbon 1 to carbon 9 of carboxylic acid exist in liquid form at room temperature. It is colorless also. Next point, smell of carboxylic acid is unpleasant smell. Third, about greater than carbon 9 of carboxylic acid existent in the waxy solid form, not any smell. Greater than C9, carboxylic acid exists in the waxy solid. Now next, boiling point. Boiling point of carboxylic acid is more than aldehyde and ketones due to hydrogen bond. In carboxylic acid, hydrogen bond exists, but it is not formed in a aldehyde and ketone. See here, if two molecules of carboxylic acid CH3, OH and double bond O. So if two units, it will get dimerized. It exists in the dimer form. Even in vapor phase. Vapor form also. In vapor form also, carboxylic acid exists in dimer form. So the boiling point of carboxylic acid is greater than the aldehyde or ketone, or more than the aldehyde or ketones. Next point, lower carboxylic acid easily dissolve in water due to hydrogen bond easily. So see here, carboxylic acid and molecules of, we can take the molecules of water also. So here the H bond form and here is also H bond form. So formation of H bond makes the carboxylic acid or lower carboxylic acid is soluble in or dissolve in water. But as the number of alkyl chain increases, means higher carboxylic acid are less soluble in water. Note down, higher acids are less soluble because of hydrophobic hydrocarbon part. Hydrophobic hydrocarbon part. So these are the physical property of carboxylic acid. Now we will discuss the chemical properties of carboxylic acid, means chemical reaction of carboxylic acid. At first we will discuss the bond cleavages between oxygen and hydrogen. Bond cleavages between oxygen and hydrogen, and we will study about the acidic nature, because if any species gives the H plus ion, it shows their acidic nature. At first we see the example of alcohol, ROH. Alcohol also have property to release H plus when it reacts with any active metals. It forms RONA, positive charge, negative charge. Sodium alkoxide. Sodium alkoxide along with hydrogen gas. Same nature of phenol, C6H5OH. When phenol treated with sodium metal, it also releases hydrogen with the base C6H5ONA. Sodium phenoxide ion. Sodium phenoxide with H2 gas liberated. Same thing when carboxylic acid, like alcohol or phenol, when carboxylic acid treated with active metal sodium, it also releases hydrogen gas with the salt of sodium plus H2 gas. The name of this compound is sodium alkanoate, or if R may be alkyl group, may be CH3, the sodium ethanoate. So here also negative or positive charge present on this group. So here we compare the alcohol, phenol and acid. This compound, when treated with active metal, it gives base and hydrogen gas. So it shows the acidic nature of their removal of H plus. Same thing when we talk about what happens when phenol treated with aqueous sodium hydroxide, means base, aqueous sodium hydroxide. The phenol when treated with sodium hydroxide gives C6H5ONA, sodium phenoxide, and water. Here phenol show the property of acidic. It releases H plus, and acid react with base to form salt and water. Alcohol do not react with sodium hydroxide, only phenol and carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid when treated with aqueous NaOH. Obviously, acid base formation of salt and water takes place. So formation of RCOO, Na and H2O. This shows that when we react alcohol, phenol and acid with sodium, it forms salt or H2 gas liberated. But in case of sodium hydroxide, alcohol do not react with sodium hydroxide and only phenol and acid react with sodium hydroxide to form salt and water. Now next, when the alcohol or phenol react with weak base, when the alcohol or phenol treated with weak base like sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium carbonate, it do not react with alcohol and phenol, do not react with sodium hydrogen carbonate means baking soda or sodium carbonate because it is a weak base. So reaction does not takes place. No reaction will be taken. But in case of acid, if acid react with this weak base like sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium carbonate, it forms salt, water and carbon dioxide. It forms salts of sodium and water and carbon dioxide. This shows that carbolic acid is more acidic than the alcohol and phenol. Carbolic acid shows more acidic character, a greater acidic character than the alcohol or phenol, even it react with weak base also. Same thing when carboxylic acid treated with sodium carbonate Na2CO3, same product will be formed. Sodium salts of sodium and water and CO2 gas. It shows that carboxylic acid is more acidic in nature than phenol and least acidic nature is alcohol. So carbolic acid, if we arrange according to acidic nature, carbolic acid is greater acidic character than the phenol and least acidic nature of alcohol. So in this way we can arrange the given compound which one has more acidic in nature. Now see further explanation about this. How can we explain carbolic acid is more acidic than phenol and alcohol? So see here, acidic nature of phenol, alcohol and acid. At first we talk about alcohol. When alcohol treated with H2O, formation of alkoxide ion and hydronium ion takes place. Alkoxide ion. In alkoxide ion, we see here R group attached with oxygen. R group means alkyl group which has characteristic of plus I, means it releases the electron density towards the oxygen, and oxygen is more electronegative, so on negative charge present on this more electronegative oxygen atom make it unstable, and also alkyl group gives electron or increase the electron density on the oxygen. So in this case alkoxide ion quickly want H2O or extract H proton from the water and get converted into alcohol. So it is not a stable base. Not a stable base. So the alcohol is weak acid in nature. Why? When alcohol treated with H2O, it forms alkoxide ion and hydronium ion. In the alkoxide ion, negative charge present on the electronegative atom, so electron density is already greater on the oxygen atom, And also alkyl group attached with oxygen atom increase the electron density on the oxygen, make it unstable. So the alcohol form alkoxide ion which is not stable, it quickly want H or extract H plus to become alcohol. See next, in the case of phenol, what happens when phenol treated with H2O, it forms phenoxide ion and hydronium ion. Phenoxide ion is more stable than the alkoxide ion because of resonance. We can write here phenoxide ion is stable due to resonance. Due to resonance, negative charge stabilized. So phenoxide ion is stable than the alkoxide ion. So it is a stable because negative charge. But if we compare it with carboxylic ion, we can see here negative charge when undergoes to resonance, it appears on the less electronegative carbon. Here is carbon and here is carbon. Carbon is less electronegative, so it cannot carry negative charge like oxygen or fluorine. But in case of acid, when acid undergoes to hydrolysis, it forms carboxylate ion and hydronium ion. In carboxylate ion, we see here if the negative charge pi electron, if the pi electron shifted towards its negative charge, come here, and we see there resonance structure also, oxygen negative charge present on this and oxygen here. So we can say that negative charge appears on the electronegative. The electronegative oxygen can easily carry the negative charge and it undergoes to resonance. Here electron move between more electronegative oxygen atom. So alkoxide ion, phenoxide ion and carboxylate ion, it is called the carboxylate ion. So carboxylate ion is more stable than the phenoxide ion. So easily we compare why phenoxide ion is less stable than the carboxylate ion. So you can explain in carboxylate ion, negative charge present on the electronegative oxygen, and here is the resonance takes place between two oxygen atom. Negative charge either appears on this oxygen or appears on this oxygen. So there is a resonance takes place. So oxygen is electronegative and it easily carry negative charge. But in the case of phenoxide ion, negative charge appear on the less electronegative carbon, but in case of carboxylate ion, negative charge always present on the oxygen atom, not on the carbon. This is the reason for the stability of carboxylate ion than the phenoxide. Why carbonic acid is more acidic than the phenol or alcohol. So you can easily compare this. So student, in carbonic acid, acidic nature is very important, and learn it properly. We will discuss next topic in next video. Now, how to find acidic order with pKa value for carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid. At first, the reaction of carboxylic acid with water, it is reversible reaction, and the formation of anion and cation. So at first we will write the equilibrium constant. You have already read equilibrium constant in chapter 11th. Equilibrium constant, this means product acetate ion and hydronium ion by reactant RCOOH plus H2O. Water is present in excess amount, their concentration not be going to change, so it is written in this side. K equilibrium equal to RCOO negative means acetate ion and hydronium ion by RCOOH. Ka is the dissociation constant of acid. Dissociation constant of acid. We all know that. In this way, we can write the equilibrium constant of acid or base. So, we can write here acid dissociation constant, yani Ka, is directly proportional to the hydronium ion. So, we can say that H ion increases, Ka increases, and acidic nature increases. As the H ion increases, the acid dissociation constant increases, so acidic nature also increases. The relation between pKa equal to minus log Ka base 10. This is the relation between Ka and pKa value. As the Ka increases, pKa decreases. Or we can say that H ion increases, Ka increases, pKa decreases, acidic nature increases. Acidic nature increases. So, in a nutshell, we can say that acidic nature inversely proportional to 1 by pKa. This is the relation between pKa and acidic nature. It is the inversely proportional with pKa. So, as we see, acidic nature is inversely proportional to pKa value. One thing more, if electron withdrawing group connected with, means R may be electron withdrawing group, acidic nature increases because negative charge present on the oxygen is stabilized by electron withdrawing group. In that condition, H plus ion easily releases. So we can say that if suppose CF3 related with acid, in presence of this group, carboxylic acid increases the rate of releasing of H plus ion. So we can say that electron withdrawing group increases the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. If any electron withdrawing group attached with the carboxylic acid, it increases the acidic nature of acid. If electron releasing group means electron donating group, if electron donating group or electron releasing group attached with acetate ion, it decreases the acidic nature of carboxylic acid because it is the electron pushing group and it increases the electron density on the oxygen atom. So in that condition, acid does not easily release H plus ion. So we can say that if suppose electron releasing group is CH3 present, CH3 due to plus I effect, and it decreases the characteristic of carboxylic acid because it is the electron releasing group. So we can say that electron releasing group decreases the acidic nature of carboxylic acid. If alkyl group is electron withdrawing group, if any electron withdrawing group present with the carbon, so it increases the acidic character of acid. If electron releasing group attached with, it decreases the electron density because it increases the electron density on the oxygen so that it cannot easily release H plus ion. In that condition, negative charge present on the oxygen, so it can stabilize the negative charge, and in that condition acid easily H plus gives easily H plus ion. And we know that the electron withdrawing group, most electron withdrawing group is CF3, then NO2, then Cn, then X may be chlorine, bromine. Most electronegative is fluorine, then chlorine, then bromine, then iodine. We all know that. And least phenyl is a less electronegative. So in this way we can easily find out the acidic character of acid, in which group present in acid which increases electron density, and which group present in acid which decreases the electron density on the carboxylic acid. So in which condition carboxylic acid release H plus ion quickly, and in which condition carboxylic acid do not release H plus ion easily.